Welcome to the Don Imran Family Kitchen. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make saffron iced tea. Now, let's move on to the tasting itself. So, I like the way it's been presented in the cup. It's got this very nice combined yellow, orangey sort of a color. It's got lemon in there. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wah! You can really taste the saffron in there. Very refreshing. It's cool because it had the ice in there. It's got a lemony taste in there. What a blend. What a way of just extinguishing any sort of thirst that you may have. So let's move on to the recipe now. Okay, you saw how to make this iced saffron tea. As I mentioned, after tasting it, it's so delicious, it's so cooling, so refreshing, and it's got such a good blend with the basil seeds, the lemon, and the saffron itself. And when you add some ice cubes into it, even more coolness, just marvelous. So with that said, do like the video, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell icon so that you are informed of our daily releases. Share this content to as many people as possible. Also comment below what beverages you'd like for us to make in the future, or what dishes or snacks, any type of food, desserts it may be, that you'd like for us to make, because we do fulfill requests. And with that said, catch you in the next one.